Pressure is mounting on Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley to make public the preliminary findings of an investigation into the operations of the state-run oil refinery Petrojam. The parliamentary opposition is demanding that this be done immediately. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
On Friday, Dr. Wheatley summoned the 3 Jamaican directors on Petrojam's board to discuss what he said were several grave and troubling matters at the refinery. A statement from the Energy Ministry informing the media of the meeting gave no further information, and our news team has tried unsuccessfully to reach Dr. Wheatley for details. Speaking at a political meeting in St. Elizabeth on the weekend, opposition spokesman on energy Philip Paulwell said the situation warrants an explanation from Dr. Wheatley.
All of the issues that have been raised in relation to Petrojam speaks to mismanagement, speaks to political interference. And I hear the minister said that he got a report on Friday and he called in the board members to speak to them. I think he should share that report with the country. I think you should see that report. I think I should see the report so we can know the full truth of what is happening at Petrojam.
Questions have been raised about the $13 million retainer Petrojam paid to a firm for entertainment and public relations services, the $12 million annual salary granted to the human resource manager, as well as the payment of over $20 million to an overseas consultant for a project which could have been done by the oil refinery's parent company, the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. Petrojam's General Manager Floyd Grinley came under fire from members of Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee last week when he was unable to provide satisfactory answers regarding the concerns raised. In the meantime, Mr. Paulwell says there are also concerns about the state-run National Energy Solutions Program, NSOL.
We are seeing signs where political appointments are taking place. People are coming into the company unqualified, occupying position while others who are qualified are being turned out. We want a similar investigation into that organization. And I wrote to the chairman of the PAAC last week to ask him to invite them to come, because I have a series of questions I want to ask them. I want the truth to be told.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.